Have you ever looked up at the sky and wondered what's really out there? It may seem empty, but Earth is surrounded by a powerful, invisible layer called the atmosphere. The atmosphere makes life possible. It gives us air to breathe, protects us from harmful radiation, and even controls the planet's temperature. Without it, Earth would be more like the moon, cold, lifeless, and exposed. So what exactly is the atmosphere, and why is it so important? Let's explore. The atmosphere is a mixture of gases that surrounds our planet, held in place by gravity. It is made mostly of nitrogen, about 78%, and oxygen, around 21%. The remaining 1% includes gases like argon, carbon dioxide, and water vapor. Even though that 1% seems small, it plays a huge role in regulating climate and supporting life. For example, carbon dioxide helps trap heat, keeping Earth warm enough for living organisms. But if there is a lot of it in the air, it can rather be harmful. We will talk more about it later in the video. The atmosphere isn't just one uniform layer. It's divided into 5 main layers, each with unique characteristics. The first layer is the troposphere. This is where we live, and where all weather happens. Rain, clouds, and storms. Above it is the stratosphere, home to the ozone layer. The ozone layer absorbs harmful ultraviolet radiation from the sun, protecting living organisms from damage. Next comes the mesosphere, where meteors burn up as they enter Earth's atmosphere, creating shooting stars. Then we have the thermosphere, where temperatures can rise extremely high. This is also where you can find the auroras, the northern and southern lights. Finally, the exosphere is the outermost layer, where the atmosphere gradually fades into space. Satellites orbit Earth in this region. The atmosphere plays several critical roles in sustaining life. First, it provides oxygen for breathing and carbon dioxide for plants to perform photosynthesis. Second, it protects us from harmful solar radiation, especially through the ozone layer. Third, it acts like a blanket, trapping heat through a process known as the greenhouse effect. Without this effect, Earth would be too cold for life as we know it. And finally, it shields us from space debris. Most meteoroids burn up before they reach the surface. The greenhouse effect is a natural process that warms the Earth. Certain gases in the atmosphere, such as carbon dioxide and methane, trap heat from the sun. This keeps the planet at a stable, livable temperature. However, human activities, like burning fossil fuels and deforestation, are increasing the amount of these gases. This leads to an enhanced greenhouse effect, causing global warming and climate change. Which is a big problem. Humans have a significant impact on the atmosphere. Air pollution from cars, factories, and industry releases harmful substances into the air. These pollutants can damage human health, harm ecosystems, and even affect the climate. Another issue is ozone depletion, caused by chemicals such as CFCs. Although global efforts have reduced their use, the ozone layer is still recovering. The atmosphere is more than just air. It's a complex, life-supporting system that protects and sustains our planet. Understanding how it works helps us realize how important it is to protect it. Because in the end, taking care of the atmosphere means taking care of life on Earth.